Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video is going to be the unboxing of the SprezzaBox. If you do not know what the SprezzaBox is, I will put a link in the description down below. But it's basically a men's subscription box. So we're going to open it up. Inside, the theme is The New Yorker. I'll leave you to read that. And the items that we have inside. The first looks like a gift card of some sort. So let's open that up. Yes, it is. It is a $50 gift card to Lawrence Hunt, Reinventing Dress Shirts. Ooh, that's nice. Next is these socks. New York City Sprezza socks. They're striped. Very nice. The next looks like, oh, it's an ice cube. Like to make ice cubes for your whiskey. Next is Wipe Right, cooling and cleansing wipes. Ooh, interesting. You can use it to refresh your face. Ooh, men need this. They definitely do. It's nice that they have products for them that are, oh my god. This is so nice. Look at this watch. This is really nice, guys. And it feels nice. Put it back for my husband. Has a heart attack. Let me just put this back for my husband. Like, you didn't put it back. And then last but not least, it is by Nomad Lane. I guess like a money clip. Yeah. So a money clip, a watch, an ice cube thing for your drinks. These really nice socks. These cleansing wipes. And a $50 gift card. Which I think that's a good deal on its own. So what does everything total up to? Alright, so the watch is by Dibi or D-I-B-I and it's $65. Wow. The Sprezza socks are $12. The money clip, I was right. The Nomad Lane money clip is $18. The grooming, those wipes, how good is your daily routine? Doesn't say a price. And the classic silicone ice ball mold is $5. So right there is way over $100 value. And the box is only $30 a month. Man, and you're interested in a subscription box, this is the SprezzaBox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, like and subscribe, comment down below, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.